How to do English speaking practice. Yes friends, this is the topic I have selected for my video today. Friends, you know what, actually there are so many English learners, they are willing to speak English very effectively, confidently and fluently, but they don't know what steps they should take in initial stage, what strategy, tips and tricks they should follow to practice of English speaking. They want to practice of their English speaking, but they don't know how to do practice, so they are confused and they only think. Friends, you know, if you are the one who is also willing to speak English and you don't know what steps you should take in initial stage in the beginning, okay, and you are worried, so please listen my speech very attentively, because I'm 100% sure that after listening my speech till the end of this video, definitely you will get very wonderful steps, tips and tricks with the help of which you can start speaking in English language, okay? Because you have already gained a huge knowledge regarding English language. Only what things you have to do, only you have to practice the knowledge which you have gained. You have to change that knowledge into skill, okay? So you have to do your speaking practice, but you don't know the tips and tricks, the steps how you should do your speaking practice. Friends, I am going to share with you some steps, okay, which I followed when I was a beginner, having gained so much knowledge regarding English language. I didn't know how to do English speaking practice. Actually, I had no idea how to do English speaking practice. But friends, I followed some strategy, tips and tricks, and with the help of which I started speaking in English language. So I am going to share with you those tips. Friends, first of all, what things you have to do? Start doing conversation, okay? In my previous video, I have also point out this thing. Start doing conversation. Conversation means talking to each other, okay? Whenever you are talking with your friend, so try to talk in English language, okay friends? If your friend answers you in Hindi or in other language, so don't worry, translate your friend's sentence into English and you continue with English, because you are doing your speaking practice, English speaking practice. So you are bound to speak English, because friends, unless you practice, you cannot get fluency, okay? If you get fluency, so you can speak very confidently. And for fluency, you have to practice of English speaking. It is very compulsory that you have to gain experience. Okay? Why? Because after gaining experience, if you gain experience, so you get confidence. If you gain experience, so experience gives you confidence. So, and friends, and second step you can take, whenever you are outside your home, okay, and you are standing on bus stop or any public place, so you can practice of your English speaking there. People are very curious to know about others, so we just start our conversation in our mother tongue. So friends, in the place of Hindi, just try to speak in English. This is also very wonderful exercise to do English speaking practice, and it really works a lot, friends. Definitely it works wonder for you. And point number 3 in conversation, you can do, like, you can make a group of your friends, okay, and you can take any topic, like you can take education, just like a topic, population, pollution, or pen, pencil, any like study materials, and you can discuss on the same topic. So friends, really I'm telling you, if you follow in the conversation, if you follow 3 steps, like talking with your friends always in English language, and when you are meeting any stranger, so try to talk in English, and you can make a group of your friends, and you can practice your English speaking on any topic. So really friends, I'm telling you, all these 3 points if you cover, so definitely you can start speaking in English language, and you will speak very fluent English. Not like you will not like there is a very common problem, like I am hesitant while speaking, or I am getting scared while speaking. So you will not face this kind of problem. You will get fluency and confidence while talking. So friends, I request you must follow all these 3 steps in the conversation. Okay friends. And friends, the second thing what you have to do, you have to take any speech, whether it is in Hindi or in English. Okay, if the speech is in English, so you have to read loudly. Okay, and you have to focus towards your pronunciation, how you are pronouncing the words and sentences. Okay, and if your speech is in Hindi, so you have to translate the speech into English, and you have to read loudly the sentence which you have translated, and while speaking you have to record yourself. Okay, and analyze your speech, analyze your voice, how you are speaking, because it is only you, you have to find your mistake and you have to rectify your mistake. Okay friends, so I hope these 2 steps are going to help you a lot in order to start your English speaking practice. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.